How to fix display black and white in Moto G Stylus. First of all, turn off sleep mode, open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on home screen and lock screen. Scroll down, click on lock screen. Scroll down, click on sleep display and turn off this button. After turning off this button, click on turn off. After click on turn off, sleep mode will be turned off from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn off dark mode, open setting. Now in settings, search dark mode. Now click on dark mode and click on light and click on save. After click on light, dark mode will be turned off from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all setting, open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option, click on reset device setting and again click on reset device setting. All setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory reset, open setting, scroll down, click on system, again click on reset option, scroll down, click on erase all data, factory reset and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, photo, video, picture will be erased or delete from your phone. This is how you can fix display black and white in Moto G Stylus. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.